text you and it stays on send, like me waiting for something that never meant. Your picture smiling, but not at me. I'm counting minutes, you don't even see. You post your stories, ignore my name. Surrounded by faces, I'm out of frame. You say it's nothing, I'm overthinking, but silence hits harder than leaving. I'm staring at the ceiling, heart stuck on scene. You're playing with the quiet like I don't feel a thing. It hurts more when you ignore me than if you said goodbye. 'Cause silence is a weapon that you don't have to justify. You leave me talking to shadows in the middle of the night. If you don't feel what I'm feeling, just say it. Don't switch to airplane mode tonight. Your last alarm was a minute ago, but for me you're always a ghost. I'd rather hear the truth crash down than drown in maybe, almost. Every notification's a spark, but it's never your name that shows. You don't need to block my number, your silence already closed the door. I'm tired of decoding every space between your lines. You call it giving distance, I call it wasting time. Prison, and I'm done doing time. So if you don't feel what I'm feeling, don't leave me in the night. Just say it, don't switch to airplane mode this time.